Experiencing a Tesla app defrost malfunction? It's a common frustration, especially in colder regions. The primary culprits are often related to climate settings, regional restrictions, or scheduling conflicts within the Tesla app. These issues can prevent the defrost function from activating, leaving your windows covered in ice or fog. We'll walk you through diagnosing and fixing these problems. The Tesla app features an auto defrost setting that should automatically activate when the vehicle detects low temperatures below 4 degrees Celsius or 39 degrees Fahrenheit or frost. Ensure this setting is enabled in the app. However, this can sometimes conflict with manual climate control settings. Try toggling auto defrost off and on again to reset the system. Also, make sure your climate control is not set to off or a very low temperature, as this can override the defrost function. Tesla vehicles use region-specific software locks for compliance. A common issue arises when the app incorrectly identifies your location. To verify, navigate to Vehicle Settings location in the Tesla app. Ensure your country is correctly set. If there's a mismatch, such as the app thinking you're in Canada when you're in the US, manually correct it. A location debug tool was added in App v4 5.0 in October 2025 to help diagnose these issues. The Tesla app allows you to schedule preconditioning, warming the cabin before your departure. These schedules can sometimes interfere with the defrost function. If you have a scheduled departure time, try disabling it temporarily to see if it resolves the defrost issue. Ensure no overlapping schedules are conflicting with your manual defrost commands. Review and adjust your scheduled settings accordingly. Before diving deeper, try these quick fixes. First, ensure your Tesla app is updated to the latest version. Outdated software can cause various glitches. Second, force close the app and reopen it. This resolves temporary software glitches. Finally, try rebooting your Tesla's screen by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black. If the basic steps fail, try a more thorough reset. Go into the climate control settings within the Tesla app. Turn off all climate features, wait a minute, and then turn them back on. If the problem persists, it's time to contact Tesla support. They can run remote diagnostics to identify deeper issues. According to Tesla's 2025 data, defrost queries have decreased due to software updates, but complex issues might require their direct intervention. Many Tesla owners share their experiences online, providing valuable lessons for troubleshooting defrost issues. In 2024, a Model Y owner in Minnesota faced defrost failure during a blizzard. The Tesla app incorrectly flagged the vehicle as being in Canada despite being in the US, disabling auto defrost due to regional restrictions. Another common issue involves scheduling conflicts. A Cybertruck owner in Alaska experienced a 20-minute delay in defrost activation because scheduled preconditioning interfered with manual defrost commands. Tesla provided a remote software tweak to resolve the problem. Even Tesla's own demonstrations aren't immune to these issues. During a 2024 shareholder event in Norway, a demo Model S failed to defrost on stage due to a scheduling conflict with the app's climate control mode. Engineers fixed it live by disabling the conflicting schedule. These real-world examples demonstrate that defrost issues often stem from region settings, scheduling conflicts, or app glitches. Learning from others' experiences can help you identify and resolve similar problems more quickly. Looking ahead, Tesla is integrating AI to predict and auto-enable defrost, reducing manual interventions by 40% in current beta tests. Future software updates will focus on optimizing defrost for energy efficiency using battery heat pumps in new models. As app-centric control becomes more prevalent, anticipate more AI-driven troubleshooting tools and a greater emphasis on seamless integration. Elon Musk predicts near-zero defrost failures by 2026 as AI improves.